Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best method to get paid faster with Cash App direct deposits. So the best method to do this is to align your setup with reliable payroll practices. First, you want to ensure that your employer has entered your routing and account numbers correctly, as even small errors can cause huge delays. Submit direct deposit details well before a pay cycle to allow processing time. Cash App often releases funds as soon as they are received, so keeping your account in good standing is essential. Avoid frequent changes to deposit information, which can reset processing timelines. Enable deposit notifications to confirm when funds arrive. Consistency and accuracy, these are key factors that influence faster access to your money through direct deposits. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.